Se acabó.
Free drinks in the house. Word.
Today we're gonna go high because it's a little windy. Normally I like to cook medium high, but I gotta work with the wind today. Alright, let's get started. Issue right now, we're on high, both of them, both high, but it's so windy that it's not really cooking anything. This is going to take longer than I thought. Move it all on this side. Alright, so here's how I'm going to fix the issue. Turning it off. It seems like it heats up more here than here. So I'm just gonna use this side. Forget about this. Comment below if you have this problem on your Blackstone. For me, this doesn't get as hot as this side. I'm not sure why. I've had this issue since I got this griddle. Don't get me wrong, I still cook here, but to me it just seems like this cooks at a higher temperature than this one. Comment below if you tell me if you have the same issue on your Blackstone or whatever griddle you have. I feel like with this wind going, I'm just cooking in a medium temperature. So I guess it's gonna take a while before I get done. What's up? How was school? Yeah. Huh? Boring. I'll have your burgers ready in a few minutes. Time to flip the bacon. Let's warm up the buns, yeah? Let's warm up some buns here. Like this. Cheese melt on the griddle. Beautiful view. Let it warm up for a few more minutes, but the top's pretty good, except for this one. Let's stop playing around and let's build us a burger. On this BLT, I'm not gonna put any condiments in there, but I'm gonna let my kids and my wife put their own. Comment below and tell me what condiment you use on your burger. And now that we've got the bacon, we're gonna put the lettuce on there. The wife doesn't want any. The wife doesn't want any tomatoes on hers. I think we are done. Here we go. Thank you all for joining. See you guys tomorrow. Alright, this is a bacon BLT. This is bacon, lettuce, tomato. It's a burger though.
Okay.
Go ahead. Tell me what you think. You like
It was
it?
good.
Yeah.
I've been craving a burger all day.
So what condiments do you normally like to put on your burger?
Mayo and ketchup sometimes.
Mayo, ketchup. What about you, Ethan?
Ketchup and mustard.
Ketchup and mustard.